All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. And before we do, please make sure that you are subscribed. If you like a couple of my videos, share them and follow me on all social medias. Yeah. Now let's get started on this nasty, brittle, need to do something like right now type of hair. And before we do absolutely anything, we need to make sure that she is sectioned out. I like to section my hair out because I have very thin to fine hair when she is straightened, but when she is in its natural state, honey, she could be a bit much. And I like to work with her in sections. Now, starting off with this intense conditioner treatment from the Cream of Nature from Morocco line, I start using this conditioning treatment. Now, this is actually a not a leave-in conditioner, but a deep conditioner that people would apply after you apply your shampoo. But the way that I start doing my deep conditioning process, especially when I have not deep conditioned my hair in a very long time, is apply two different types of deep conditioner to my hair before and after I shampoo my hair. Why? Because it leaves my hair moisturized, it detangles my hair, as well as it allows my hair to be more manageable when I am shampooing it out. And it keeps my strands all bubbly and loved on. Like, check her out. Check this out though, for real. You gotta watch. Look at her. She nasty gookin looking, but you see the curls already coming back. She popping or whatever. She popping. Now, side note, who else has issues with the temple of their hair? The temple of my hair always seems to not grow right. Like, that's super annoying. Whew. But after we go ahead and do this section, we go ahead and place it on all different sections. And as you see, you guys, look at these curls already getting into formation. Come on, let's get with it. She may not look all shabby and together, but you see her, she trying to do something, a little bit of something, like check her. But after we do that, we're going to go ahead and wash it on out. So after I wash her out, and I only use some co-washing deep conditioner shampoo type situation, and that's pretty much it. Or you can use whatever shampoo you really want to use. So I just go ahead and towel dry my hair, and right now I'll go ahead and place it right back in the 4 sections because you know that's how I work. And now it's time for the deep conditioning hair mask. And this is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strengthening Hair Mask. Excuse me, you guys. Sorry. And the way that I apply any type of moisturizer or any product to my hair is I like to hit it around the perimeters, massage it on the scalp, and run my fingers through it. And look, voila. Look at these curls. Look at her. Not only do I follow up with this mask, but I do use a oil on my hair. And the oil of choice that I have become very accustomed to lately is the tea tree oil, Organics tea tree oil. You guys, this stuff alongside with this hair mask is bomb AF, for real though, because it leaves my hair feeling very moisturized for at least a week and a half. No shade. This whole situation number that I'm doing right now has helped my hair stayed like breakage free. I have not had any horrible break-offs because sometimes I deal with major break-offs on my hair if I don't take care of my hair, and I'm the type of person that will not take care of their hair. Over time, when I just start wearing my wigs, I'm like, child, it's the reason why you're wearing a wig. Let's take care of the hair. And I be missing my curls, so this is how I revive my curls back. And look at these curls already, just me running my fingers through my hair. I do not use any type of combs. I don't need no combs. Your hair is going to go back in its natural curly state with this product. This is not a sponsored video, but honey, Cream of Nature, if you trying to make a buck or two, boo boo, let me know. I'm with it, okay? Because this product is everything. I start doing my hair in subcategories at this point because it just makes me feel like I'm putting the product on all the strands of my hair. If I break it down from sections to subsections, it just works that way. So as you see, I'm just taking it and doing some twists. You could do braids, that's totally up to you, but I like doing twists because I like to go to the natural curl of my hair. So I like to do a deep conditioning process. Now, normally I like to sit underneath the dryer, but this time I really didn't have that much time, so I had to literally do this and go out the door. But if you want to do a deep conditioning process and allow your body heat to do the job, this is one of a very quick, very inexpensive way to do so, because everybody has a shower cap, everybody has a scarf, and I mean, you can use a cotton scarf if you want to, but I only have silk scarves because I'm not about to force my hair to do none of that foolishness. I'm just saying, I'm not with that life. Do not put no cotton scarf on your head at night, girl, I'll slap you. But I do like to use my regular handy dandy scarf right on top of it, so I won't have to go out with a hat with this scarf on my head. And whoa, this thing can get a little bit long and tight. And this is just a regular scarf that I've gotten, and I inherited from my grandmother, rest her soul. She had tons of cat pashmina scarves, and ooh, she cute or whatever. Ew. Ow. like I said, I am going about my day. Enjoy your day. Allow your hair to deep condition. Now, I am done with my day. My goodness, you guys. I was about to get in my bed and I realized, oh my goodness, I still got this freaking conditioner in my hair and I had to take it out. So I've probably had this on for at least, I want to say about a good 11 hours at this point. And all I do is start to unravel the twists that I created with the deep conditioning process. But check this out. Look at how more defined my curls are. You thought they weren't popping before, but hunty, these curls are popping. And look how amazing they look. And this is just me running my fingers through my hair, no comb, nothing but product right now, and some oil. And check her out. I am obsessed. Like, if this was not sitting on top of my hair the way it does, and it looks low-key nasty, but these curls are still popping, so who cares? And it is whatever, you know, I would literally just go out the door like this, but I'm not doing that. I gotta wash this stuff out of my hair. And as I wash it on out of my hair, you know what? I really could low-key just shake my hair and go. Like, check it. Check her out. And this is just me washing the product out of my hair. These curls, boing, are popping. Like, you can't get no better. And this is just the natural portion of your hair. But me being extra, I cannot do that. I have to make sure that I do some leave-in conditioner. So back to the 4 parts again. Whew. Y'all know this is the only way that I can do it. But we're going to go ahead and do the Shae Moisture. I did not use the Cream of Nature. I'm sorry. I should have just kept up with the line, but I definitely had to give love to my elvive Extraordinary Oil and back to this Organics Tea Tree Stimulating Growth Oil. My hair follicles at this point are like open. So when I put this oil on my hair, you guys, on my scalp, not my hair, but my scalp, honey, she was like tingling. And I mean, it felt so amazing because my scalp felt so clean. And not only did it feel clean, but it felt so moisturized. It felt loved on. It felt like I just gave it everything that I've got. And I'm giving you the best that I got. Conditioner. Yes. Love it. Get with it. Now I just once again did the same process all over again. You guys, this is going to make the process of your hair seem so much easier when you just repeat the same steps over and over again. Because after a while, you're going to be like, you know what? It's only one more section I got to do. And if I keep that process consistent, it'll go faster. As you see, the coils are popping. If they are straggly, don't be afraid to clip them ends. In your natural curly state, nobody can tell if it's short or long. Everything is going to shrink. I'm just saying, it's just still going to be pretty. Focus on moisturizing the hair than anything else. And that's where all of your love is going to come, and how your hair is going to start to love you back is when you take the time to moisturize her. Take the time to put some hydration in her. Like, hydrate your hair. Your hair is a part of you. This is like a piece of you. And check it out. They're like everything. So after I finished my hair, all of my hair, I had big strands, little strands, red strands, blue strands, 5 strands, green strands, sounded like Dr. Seuss' sister friends. And with this scarf, I really probably do look like Dr. Seuss' stepsister. I mean, whoo. She real tired. Y'all, I am so exhausted. And you can see it all in my eyes. It's time to go to sleep. I just go ahead and go to sleep on this. No cap, no shower cap, just scarf, whatever. Time to go to sleep. And as I wake up from my beauty rest, brand new day. I literally woke up and came straight to this camera and was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and take this out now. But she was looking, ooh, I don't like the way that my hair shrinks. But we're just going to see what she does. So I like to use the elvive oil on my hair because it's very lightweight, and I just moisturize this all over my hands before I really touch my hair, and just run my hands through my twists, making sure that the oil is distributed already before I start separating my hair. Now I am going to put oil back on my hair when I start separating them individually, but the way that I separate is I pull down and I separate from the bottom and I twist. Pull down, separate, twist. Pull down, separate, twist. Pull down, separate, twist. pull down, separate, twist. Literally, this is the same motion on all parts of my hair. Now, some of the strands can break down and will break down all on its own because your natural curls are already going to start coming out once you start separating the hair. But if your hands are dry, your frizz is going to fry, and it's going to make your hair look like it is what is it really doing? What curl is that? But she ready, like really ready. After I done all of that, you guys, I mean, look at these curls. These curls are everything. I did get a little bit carried away in the front, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my what you call this thing, a little tooth rack, comb rack, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, but these edges, she need to do something, but don't worry, because she is bomb, comes through. But I definitely took that tooth comb. I said tooth comb. Oh my gosh. I want to say that rake comb. And I just touched my roots and pulled my roots up a little bit, giving my hair a little bit more height and definition, a little bit more volume. So, and I'm just also just curving out, not necessarily baby hairs, but letting my edges do a little something in the front of my hair. Nothing major, but want it to look cohesive because sometimes I wear my hair back a lot, so I think my edges got accustomed to it, so she doesn't want to come out to play, not at all. But after she is done, boom, she is ready. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and remember, God is love, so love. Bye.
You got me some type of way. I choose to feel it this way. I do not know what to say. Yeah. But I know I shouldn't think about it. So I'm back and look at your face. Now I wanna know how you